Alright, I'm out here on the river. Out here on the river at Beckman today. First day of the Kankakee River Fishing Derby. Already seen 5 other boats out here. Some people I know and everything. So everybody's out here fishing today. That's a good thing. Yeah, I got me a little bitty bastard. Smallmouth on a Ned rig. The motherfuckers down there nipping at it. I can tell they're small. That just shows you how small they are. Yeah, I got me another little bitty bastard. No tag in him or nothing, so oh well. Little one so far, but I'm catching. I got well, I had me another little bastard. He flipped off. I don't even think he had the hook in him. He was hanging on the bait. Whatever. Look at that. I'm a little walleye. Catch a walleye here years ago. Steve Greeley. No tag in him, but I ain't gonna tag him away. Little walleye. Them teeth. It's fucking noisy. I'm under the 57 bridge right now, so a little bit noisy. Another little bud. Yeah, that's what I thought, the way he was hitting it. Another little bitty bastard. I'm liking that little sinkhole though. No tag in him. No good. Another little bastard. Yeah, all smallies too. Another little bitty bastard that ain't got no tag. Yeah, that was a good smallie too. Not fucking with it. Golly. Another fucking good one, spit it. Unbelievable. Gonna keep the good ones on today. There's another little. Now I get the small smallies in today, but I ain't getting the big ones. But he's a fat bastard. No tag. Another little dinkster. All dinksters today. I had my chance at a couple good ones, but I blew it. There's a rock bass, and normally I'd take a rock bass in, but he ain't 4 ounces. And he's gonna take a lot bigger rock bass than that for the derby, so he's going back. A little dink smallie as soon as it hit the water. No tags in him. Oh well. It's small fish, smallmouth day. What do you know? What do you know? A largemouth with no tag, little bitty 10-inch largemouth. Oh well, he's starting to get to be a fat bastard. But first largemouth today. I didn't feel him bite, he's just swimming with it. I'm up to Iroquois now, and I think this is the best smallie all fucking day. Little fat bastard. No tags. Yep. in the hell did you get that way down there? I don't know, I'm gonna cut it. Yeah, it was a decent smallie, but not decent enough. Swallowed the hook, so I had to really cut him. Oh well. I'm trying. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go in for the day. Fucking tired. And I caught, I don't know, I lost track how many 8 to 12-inch smallmouth I caught today. It was a lot, but I didn't get nothing big. Yeah, one big one got off right as I went to flip him in the boat. He was probably 2 pounds, but I don't think he'd have made the big board, so I didn't see any tags in any fish today. Probably hit in today, and might hit moments tomorrow. If I can get up in the morning, I'll go hit moments tomorrow. So it ain't thunderstorming like they say. We'll try again tomorrow.